Welcome to the SendContact app tutorial. Let's dive in. 1. Search for SendContact on the App Store. Sign up with your email and create a memorable password. 2. You can use the sample card or create a new card by tapping here. 3. Click the banner, go to the library, and choose an image representing you or your company. 4. Add your profile image from the library or take a photo with the camera. 5. Edit your name, role, company, website, email, and phone number. Save the changes. 6. Navigate to About to write a brief description of yourself and your business, or skip it for later. 7. Add content is your main access point for all card additions, from media galleries to products for sale. 8. Click Feature Video to upload a video from your library. 9. Use Media Gallery to add images, text files, voice recordings, music, or other documents. 10. Add custom links for various URLs, including social media and payment links. 11. Add your address and social media links. 12. Name your item, set a price, provide a description, upload an image, and select a payment method. You have the option to add a PayPal link, Venmo, Stripe, Square, and other payment methods of your choice, giving you complete control over your transactions. 13. At the bottom left corner, you can preview your card. 14. On the right side, you can share your virtual card with others. 15. The Save to a Physical Card feature is designed for you to save your card to a physical NFC Smart Business Card. If you don't have one, you can visit SendContact and order yours today. Click here and tap your card over the top of your phone. It will transfer your virtual card onto your physical NFC card. Please note that the NFC reading location on Android phones may vary, potentially located on the back of the phone depending on the model. That's not all. You can also save specific files by tapping the 3 dots on the chosen file and selecting Save to a Physical Card. This specific file will open first when others tap to view your card. 16. Discover the Security Lock feature located in the top right corner. Yes, you can lock your NFC card to prevent others from making changes to your card after you've given it to them. Once locked, only you can modify the card's contents. 17. The powerful Invite a Reseller feature empowers you to rapidly expand your sales team network. You can invite other sales representatives, influencers, relatives, and even your neighbors to clone your card and mini shop without the need for them to spend time uploading your catalog and items for sale. All they have to do is accept your invitation, and your catalog and items for sale will automatically migrate to their SendContact app, ready for business instantly. 18. My Card is a collection of your cards. Yes, you can create as many cards as you like. One for personal use, one for business, and a card for a mini website with products for sale. 19. Contact. This is your contacts list of people you have saved with the SendContact app. 20. Presenting the most powerful feature in SendContact, Bluetooth technology. With just one click, you can share your contact with every SendContact user nearby. You can preview their card before engaging, or click Send to invite a friend request. They will receive your request instantly with the option to deny or accept. Remember to activate your Bluetooth and set Visible Nearby to On. Envision the extraordinary potential. By incorporating a checkout payment link into your card, those in your immediate vicinity seamlessly appear on your phone, ready to make instant payments. No need to request credit card details, PayPal accounts, or any personal payment information. It's a revolutionary leap into the future, redefining connectivity, sales, and payment processes with unparalleled convenience and inspiring simplicity. That concludes our SendContact tutorial. Let's achieve something extraordinary together with SendContact.